Welcome back. One of the most crucial skills in trading is identifying the perfect entry and exit points. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to spot buy and sell signals on TradingView using simple, proven techniques. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to read charts like a pro and identify high-probability trading opportunities. Let's dive in. First, let's talk indicators. Click Indicators at the top of your chart and search for RSI, Relative Strength Index. Now you might be wondering, what do these numbers actually mean? Simple. When RSI drops below 30, the market is oversold. Buyers are likely to jump in. That's your buy signal. When it rises above 70, it's overbought. Sellers take control. That's your sell signal. Watch how price reacts at these levels. RSI below 30 with price bouncing? Strong buy opportunity. RSI above 70 with price dropping? Time to consider selling. Next up, support and resistance levels. Select the horizontal line tool from the left toolbar and identify areas where price has bounced multiple times. These are support levels. Think of them as floors where buyers step in. These are your buy zones. But what about selling? Draw resistance levels where price gets rejected repeatedly. These are ceilings where sellers dominate. Buy near support, sell near resistance. Here's a pro tip. When price breaks through resistance, that becomes new support. A powerful breakout buy signal. Finally, moving average crossovers. Add two moving averages, a 50 period and 200 period SMA. You've probably heard of the golden cross, right? That's when the 50 period crosses above the 200 period. A massive buy signal indicating strong uptrend momentum. The opposite? The death cross. When the 50 crosses below the 200, that's your warning to sell or stay out. Why do these work so well? Because they show you exactly when big trends are starting or ending. You now have three powerful methods to spot buy and sell points. RSI for momentum signals, support resistance for key price levels, and moving average crossovers for trend direction. Combine them for ultimate confirmation. Want to automate these signals? PineGen AI builds custom strategies using these exact techniques in seconds, turning your trading ideas into working code instantly. Transform your trading with the power of AI.